Mabuhay, magandang hapon at magandang ikaw. Welcome to Grade 9 Beauty Care Class. I'm Ma'am Teodoro, and for today, I will serve as your guide as we learn about foot massage. Are you now ready? Sit back, relax, and watch this video that I prepared just for you. Foot massage is the process of rubbing, pressing, and kneading the feet to help them relax, reduce tiredness, improve blood circulation, and promote overall well-being. Wear personal protective equipment or PPE when giving a foot massage, such as a face mask and a scrub suit. If a scrub suit is not available, you may wear an apron instead. Don't forget to tie your hair to maintain proper personal hygiene. Materials needed in giving foot massage: lotion, tissue, and alcohol. Good afternoon, Ma'am. Welcome to our salon. I am Icon, your massage therapist this afternoon. Preliminary activities: sanitize your hands and diffuse. Steps in giving a basic foot massage. Cover the resting foot with a towel. Make sure that the client is in proper position. Ensure that the client's feet are in a comfortable position. Check the client's feet for any wounds, cuts, swellings, infections, or other conditions before beginning the foot massage. Give a foot bath or sanitize the client's foot using alcohol. Use a cream, oil, or lotion to work with. Hold the bottom of the foot with both hands. Begin rubbing the top of the foot, slowly working your way down to the sole of the foot. Apply more pressure as you get closer to the sole. Reverse directions and rub the foot, moving slowly towards the top, reducing pressure as you go. Rub the sole of the foot. Use your thumbs for this, making small circles with medium to heavy pressure. Use cross fiber friction on the heels of the feet. This means you use your thumbs to push up and down on the heel. While one thumb is pushing up, the other should be pushing down. Massage around the ankle bone. Use both hands to rub in a circular motion around the bone on either side, and gently rub your fingers over the top of the bone. Use a fist to massage the arc of the foot. With your hand closed in a fist, use the tops of your fingers to apply pressure to the arc. Roll your hand back and point to knead the skin gently. Massage the toes. Spend on time each individual toe. Here are the 2 contraindications in giving foot massage. Number 1, do not overuse the oil or cream because your hands will be too slippery to give an effective massage. Number 2, be careful to use too much pressure. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. See you on our next lesson. Bye!